How to take screenshot and record screen in your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So we got three methods to take screenshot. The first one, you have to press power key and volume down button at the same time. Take a look. Volume down and power key together. When you make it, you will find this bar at the bottom, and when you click on this bar, let me just show you one more time. When you click on it, right here, you can open by using Gallery or Google Photos, you can decide. And here we get the preview of this screenshot. We can also edit by tapping right here. So we can rotate, you can change shape, angle, you can put filters, a lot of things you can customize right here. You can go and try all of these features. To save, tap on the right upper corner. And of course, this screenshot, you will find it in the gallery. Take a look. It appears right here in the screenshots folder. So that was the first method. The second one, it's called the gesture. So you have to swipe with palm of your hand from the edge. And to enable this option, you have to go for the settings, find advanced features, go for the motions and the gestures, and right here you will find this option that's palm swipe to capture. So we have to enable this feature like that. And after that you will be able to take screenshot like that. Also in this smartphone, in the S22 Ultra, you got the S Pen, and with this one you can also capture the screen. So you can tap right here on this pen icon and select Smart Select. If you don't have this feature right here, you have to tap right here to add, and then choose it from this list. Then, when you select this option, you can simply pick the shape of the select, and then just make it like that. So for example, I would like to get only this part of the screen. So select, there's the highlight, and we can save by tapping right here. Of course, we can still edit, we can draw, we can type something, or we can straight share, whatever you want. I'm gonna simply save, and also it will be we'll be able to find it in the gallery. And to record the screen, we have to open the notification panel, and this preset is a default. So if you don't change the position of the shortcuts, you will find the screen recorder icon right here. But if you change something, you have to go here on the edit buttons, and then you have to find the screen recorder here or right here if you get rid of that from the list. But as I said before, as a default, you will find it right here in the right bottom corner on the list. So when you tap once, you will get this menu where we can change the sound settings. So we can record media sounds and the microphone, only media, or mute both of them. We can also enable or disable taps and the touches. And if you want to start the recording, just tap right here. You can skip that countdown, and there it is. Right now the record is right here. As you can see, we are 5 seconds on the record. So we can pause right here, play. Right here we can turn on this picture in the picture. So it will be preview of the front camera, as you can see. You can also enable some kind of the mouse cursor. I hope that you can see it right now. And you are able also to select while recording. That's a cool feature. And to save this record, you have to tap right here, and also we will be able to find it in the gallery. Just take a look. There we got the screenshots, but the screen record appears right here, and that's our last record. So I'm gonna skip. As you can see, that's all. So that's how we can take screenshots and record your screen in your Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and also an S22 Ultra. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.